What? That might be a little Rob over. You can be like slow. Yeah, I'm just sitting in Varsity, pussy. You're so slow. Slow down. Slow down. You're speeding, man. Oh my God. You're like gonna get a ticket. Everyone slow down. Fine. You're running too fast. Warning you. This is not fair. He's running fast. Stop running. You're going too fast. You're gonna fall and hurt. Yes, God. Yes, God. Go! Run! You're smiling. You gotta run faster! Damn it, I don't know, so that, oh, where's Just Friends? Just Friends! Yeah, Just Friends! Slow down, you're going too fast, you're gonna hurt yourself.
You know what you're doing, stop running so fast.
This isn't a race.
You're gonna pull something.
It doesn't really matter who wins, guys.
See the last guy? What do you say to the last guy?
Oh my God, you're so. Alright, where's Mom?
Where is she?
Is she already? Alright. We'll see you Monday. For the race, don't forget.
What's it go? Whoops, my bad. Wow. Way to mess everything up. What are you doing? Probably around 30. What are you doing? 25.
Yeah, 25. Medal for the Varsity.
She finished pretty strong.
Go.
Why is my shirt so weak? Why is my shirt so weak? Wait, get ready, your muscles are going to rip it off. Are you ready? Ashley, you're fine.
Cool.
Finally seriously. Wow. No.
I know you're not. I know you wouldn't be fast enough to medal here, so I go up with.
Oh, thanks.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You said you wanted to medal.
Are you serious?
Ben does not get it.
Johnny does.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
I'm like, no, it's not hard to do. It's really hard to finish something to one thing.
Yeah.
I said, it's not something that can happen from like in 2 months. Like it's a year of process. I said, I'm just learning that, you know? I said, and they think I'm kidding. Like being a competitive person, like I know.
Right.
I can come out here and not worry about it. If you want the physical fitness,
You want them to be as good as they possibly can be. It is hard to all right, Maria, what a wonderful finish.
Probably walking. They're like in mid-front.
Oh, shit.
Yep.
Margaret! Yeah, Margaret!
Yeah, yo! Yes! Yeah, yo!
Hoorah!
Run! Alex, come on, Alex! Come on! Let's go! You got this! He's such a champ.
Wow. He's definitely winning a medal.
Yeah, Russo!
There's enough of Russo?
Yeah.
Run! Go! Go! Go!
Ken, you suck! That's all of them, right?
Run, Casey!
Casey! Casey! said smile. It's like, he's just smiling at us.
Very good.
David James today.
He's not with us.
Steady on fire and stuff.
Jeff, I just found it out.
On your ball.
All the way up there.
What? No, this much is best.
Gabrielle. It is. Hey, Gabrielle's going good.
Yeah! We're gonna make them one slower.
Come on, Gabrielle.
They're gonna be too busy
Is that
looking
Gabby?
at you.
Come on. Get in first place. You got that.
Looking good, Gabby. Keep it up.
Go. Pass her.
Bring back a medal.
Come on, Gabby. Pass her.
Come on, Gabby.
Go, Gabrielle.
Yeah, keep it up. Go good, Gabby.
She didn't want to run. She came up to me and said, it's bad if I don't want to run.
I was fucking smiling and happy.
Come on, Carly. Yeah, keep it up, Carly.
Come on, Farmingdale.
Hoorah, hoorah.
Okay.
Why can't I run Robin?